2025 Christmas haul. I'm extremely grateful, but it's not always about the presents. This is about Jesus Christ, our Savior, who died on the cross for us. Alright. I don't know if I'll have part 2. I maybe will, I maybe won't. Anyways, the first things first I got is this vanity. I am so freaking grateful for this. I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna put this in 2 times speed, by the way. Okay, I got this little science kit, and then this Stitch thing, and then some Jordans. I'll show you these later, and then this, and then a tie-dye thing, and that, and then some slime. I got this Stitch Light Brights, some ring caps. I got this today with my grandma because she didn't get me anything for Christmas because we went to Ota and Sports Academy. It don't seem like a lot, but it's a lot. And like I said, everything's like scrambled around because, you know. But I also got some clothes. I should have done this like the day before Christmas, like the day on Christmas, but I kind of forgot. But yeah. I also have my Uggs are coming on Monday. I'm so excited for those. And then I have some John Cena blanket coming in. But anyways, here's my haul. I'm really extremely grateful that I got all this stuff, and I'm really happy. And I didn't even have to get all this stuff, but I'm really grateful I did. I hope you guys had a good Christmas or Hanukkah or what, and